Number 1. 1968 Harley-Davidson XLH Sportster, $4,800, Newburgh, New York. The 1968 Harley-Davidson XLH Sportster is a classic ironhead with the rugged character and unmistakable styling that continued to define early Sportsters. As one of the early electric start models, it represents an important period in Harley-Davidson history and remains highly appealing to enthusiasts who appreciate original vintage details. This example has a fresh battery and carburetor and is reported to be running great, although the electric start is currently not working. It retains several desirable original parts, including the pogo seat, rear rack, and center stand, while additional touring equipment, a turtle tank, and Avon tires are included. With a clean title, this Sportster offers plenty of authentic old-school Harley character. Number 2. 1970 BSA Lightning, $6,900, Belmead, New Jersey. The 1970 BSA Lightning is a standout example of classic British motorcycle design, combining a lively parallel twin engine with elegant styling and the unmistakable character of a vintage BSA. Well-preserved Lightnings have become increasingly desirable among collectors who value originality and British motorcycle heritage. This motorcycle is described as being in beautiful original condition and has received several useful updates, including electronic ignition, new AMAL carburetors, tires, and battery. It was serviced by a BSA specialist last summer, while the odometer and title both show under 1,000 miles. For collectors searching for an exceptionally clean British classic, this Lightning is a very attractive find. Number 3. 1978 Honda CB750F Supersport, $2,300, Marysville, Ohio. The 1978 Honda CB750F Supersport brought a sportier character to Honda's legendary CB750 platform, combining the proven inline-4 engine with more aggressive styling and performance-focused features. Today, these motorcycles remain popular with enthusiasts who appreciate classic Japanese engineering and the unmistakable look of late 1970s superbikes. Showing 16,680 original miles, this complete example has been stored for some time and may need its carburetors cleaned before returning to regular use. The seller reports good compression and spark, fresh battery, rust-free fuel tank, original paint and badges, stock airbox, and a well-preserved 4-into-1 exhaust. With a clean Ohio title, this CB750F offers an exciting foundation for its next owner. Number 4. 1968 Moto Guzzi V700, $4,250, Granby, Connecticut. The 1968 Moto Guzzi V700 represents the distinctive engineering and character that helped make Moto Guzzi one of Italy's most respected motorcycle manufacturers. Its V-twin engine, unique layout, and classic styling give it a personality that stands apart from many motorcycles of the same era. This example shows 17,677 miles and is described as running well with rebuilt carburetors, recent tires, new signal lights, and a rear cush drive adapted from an 850T. It also includes a 2-person seat, 2 covers, and a spare rear wheel and tire. For enthusiasts looking for an uncommon Italian classic with plenty of character, this Moto Guzzi is an appealing option. Number 5. 1968 Triumph Bobber, $3,500, Shrewsbury, Massachusetts. The 1968 Triumph Bobber blends classic British parallel twin character with the unmistakable style of a traditional custom motorcycle. With its minimalist design, wire-spoke wheels, and period-inspired details, this Triumph has the kind of personality that makes vintage custom bikes especially appealing to enthusiasts. The build features a red metal flake tank, black frame, brown leather solo seat, chrome exhaust, white wall tires, and a classic large headlight. It also comes with a recent certified appraisal, while the seller provides previous registration and a bill of sale instead of a title. For Massachusetts buyers seeking a distinctive pre-1980 Triumph project, this bobber offers plenty of vintage charm. Number 6. 1969 Norton Commando Fastback, $6,500, Wolfboro, New Hampshire. The 1969 Norton Commando Fastback is one of Britain's most recognizable motorcycles, celebrated for its distinctive styling, powerful 750cc parallel twin engine, and legendary place in motorcycle history. Early Fastback models are especially appealing to collectors because of their unique fiberglass tail and unmistakable period design. This example remains mostly original and retains matching numbers, the iconic pea-shooter exhausts, and its original Fastback character. The seller states that it starts easily and runs strong, delivering the classic Norton sound and feel. For collectors or vintage riders seeking a genuine British icon, this Commando offers an excellent opportunity. Number 7. 1970 Ducati Mark III Desmo, $6,000, York, Pennsylvania. The 1970 Ducati Mark III Desmo represents an important chapter in Ducati history, showcasing the early desmodromic valve technology that would become one of the company's defining engineering features. These classic single-cylinder Ducatis have become increasingly desirable among enthusiasts who appreciate their lightweight design and distinctive Italian character. This example is described as fully operational and runs well with an aftermarket carburetor and electronic ignition installed for improved reliability. The original carburetor is included, but will need attention, while transferable registration is provided in the seller's name. For enthusiasts interested in an early Desmo-era Ducati, this motorcycle offers genuine historical appeal. Number 8. 1975 BMW R75/6, $5,950, Westchester, Pennsylvania. The 1975 BMW R75/6 is a classic airhead, admired for its smooth boxer twin engine, durable engineering, and comfortable riding characteristics. These motorcycles have earned a strong following among collectors and riders who appreciate BMW's combination of mechanical simplicity, long-distance capability, and timeless design. This exceptionally well-preserved example has only 21,550 miles and has had just 2 owners. The seller describes it as being in near-perfect condition, starting easily and running beautifully with no reported issues. Originally delivered in Germany to a U.S. citizen, it also retains its European-style handlebars, adding to its distinctive character. Number 9. 1976 Harley-Davidson Sportster, $2,750, Morrisville, Pennsylvania. The 1976 Harley-Davidson Sportster represents the rugged character of the classic Ironhead era, a period that continues to attract enthusiasts interested in vintage American motorcycles and custom builds. Even in project form, these Sportsters can provide a valuable foundation for restoration or personalization. This motorcycle is being offered as part of a final pre-part out sale, with the engine, frame, title, and swing arm being kept together, while numerous additional components are available. Parts include the tank, fenders, wheels, SNS carburetor, exhaust, controls, brakes, suspension components, and more. For buyers searching for an affordable vintage Harley project or parts foundation, This Sportster offers plenty of possibilities. Number 10. 1973 Honda CL, $950, Greenfield, Massachusetts. The 1973 Honda CL represents the practical and versatile side of Honda's classic motorcycle lineup, combining simple Japanese engineering with the rugged character that made the CL series popular. These vintage Hondas remain appealing because they are approachable, lightweight, and easy to customize or restore. This example is described as running great and is offered with a bill of sale along with many spare parts. While documentation is limited, the low asking price makes it an interesting option for enthusiasts searching for an inexpensive vintage Honda. For someone looking for a budget-friendly classic project or an additional machine for a collection, this CL could be worth considering.